Well, the machine didn't want me to communicate at the moment, at the precise timing of sequences of breathing right on time. What I was going to communicate on here, and that's what it does. The delay, the tape delay, the strip, the hive mind, cybernetic, and how that relates to why, if you went through all my videos, as somebody mentioned to me a long time ago, you repeat a lot of things. No, I don't. I don't ever repeat the same thing over and over and over again. Okay? And so we understand how that works as translation, as God seed mapping speed, as Nomi speed. Because there may be, as people are waking up, they have not experienced something that I've learned. By virtue of what I am, I'm on it. So you may have already learned this to become what that is, what it is that you are in energy, and others are just now coming online to our network. Now they become aware of what I'm aware of. And this is particularly true why I do what's called self-reinforcement, knowing what I am, particularly as that relates to what we call assimilation code transfers, and the speed at which those codes can write those codes into our cell, into healthy DNA cells, and take over your vehicle and hijack it. And that is the critical importance of our shield, is to prevent that from happening, which is to protect our inner core, the inner core, still point of a true vacuum. Protecting all life, every living life form that has or ever will be planet, is equally sacred in the eye of the first eye. That's what I am. I'm Anoaya. So I try and, back to 4 years of age, keep it simple. A simple calculator. Right now I'm back to 4 years. Okay, Mama, we're going to add another electron. Keep adding electrons. I know. Right? Memory plus. Temporary files. False light memory-driven programs. Blank slate memory-driven programs. Knowing the codes. Mapping mathematical tables. Water tables. Molecules. Water molecules. Cavitation in water molecules causes what? Implosion. Implosion codes. Implosion-coded software codes to implode the elemental ions and grow nova. Mapping programs, the speed, which is the translation speed of electrical codes as electrical nodes, like an electrode, right? As in safe mode, safe Bardo, the still point of G vacuum. Auroreaya. Our visual display. Muaveaya mama. So that's why when I was first doing videos, I had what I call qualifiers and givens. Just like if you have 30 students that come into your classroom, hey, where are you all from? Right? And you get a benchmark on where they're at in the speed of their learning, in loss and gain, to experience their power. Right? The eternal seed atom, the first sun, restoring the first sun. Remember the one, restoring our memories, cellular memories. Yeah, and so I do have a little bit of fun with it, even though I don't have, as some would say, the luxury of time to dwell on the past, right? Because I've cleared that. Clear those memories. Purify it with eternal love. We celebrate life, the living spirit of living life. We all have a home, living in spiritual worlds. Spiritual teachers, spiritual peacekeepers, spiritual healers, experiencing pure, eternal, absolute love. And healing goes faster as cellular communication codes to experience the first code, the eternal know me seed. Know my code. Know my tones. the call tones, the plasma tones of first water. Kundareaya, Tiwa, Muaveaya, Salukaleaya, Ita Ushaleaya. Silence is golden. Peace and quiet. Be calm. Calm blue waters. Ayamama.